friends, this is Shipra Khanna. Welcome to the Spice Trail. So now I'm going to make the fried calamari. Olive oil in a pan, let it get heated. Once it's hot, we're going to add the calamari, which is like really good. And this cooks really quickly, right? And I'm going to add your special salt, Petra.
From Ibiza Island.
Wow. And your special pepper?
From Patagonia.
From Patagonia.
Smoked pepper.
Okay. And I'm going to add a dash of lemon while it's cooking. You know, a little tangy, and it really goes well, right? With the calamari.
Delicious.
Now we're just going to cook it. So what do you think about calamari? You have to tell me the history of, you know, how calamari is so famous in Madrid or in Spain.
The funny thing is, even in Madrid, although we don't have the sea, we have very famous bread rolls filled with calamari. That is a typical thing to have on our historic main square.
Oh.
Bocadillo de calamares. Because we say that in Madrid we get the best seafood and fish from all over Spain, because it's the biggest market.
Oh, wow.
Actually, the Merca Madrid, the providers market, is the biggest market for fish in the world, apart from the one in Tokyo, but it has more different types.
Oh, nice.
So also in Madrid, although the sea is far away, we can really enjoy the best seafood and fish.
Wow. Okay, then let's serve it.
Yes, please, calamari.
Whoa. And here goes our very yummy calamari. So we'll garnish it with
Parsley, nice, always.
That is my touch to your Spanish food. And our dish is ready.
Also should be accompanied with some nice verde wine from Riviera del Duero area, 200 kilometers north of Madrid. Delicious white wine, verde.
Oh wow! And that's our calamari, which is fried calamari as we call it.
But not braided, so it's the diet version. Very nice for summer.
Yes, because in summers, all Spanish people go to the beach, so it's for a beach diet.
Enjoy!
Hi friends, this is Shipra Khanna. Welcome to the Spice Trail.